So today we are at the Emma Bridgewater Factory in Stoke-on-Trent. Just come up the ramp from the cafe. You'll see a chicken wearing one of our signs. Turn right, head to the Meekin room. You might be able to hear the cheeping already. I love this factory, it's so lovely. And then here we are. Got this massive room all to ourselves for part of the Emma Bridgewater Easter activities, chick cuddle sessions. So come and join us, meet our chicks, pull up a pew and have a chick cuddle. Then when you've done that, you can take them over to our chicken photo booth and take some photos. Then we've got some colouring activities. You can colour in, make cards, stickers. And then if you want to add a bit more colour to your photos, we've got cuddly chickens, bunny ears, masks, hats, you name it, we've got it. And Ella will be helping with the chick cuddles along with me. So hopefully you can join us today and tomorrow here at the Emma Bridgewater Factory in Stoke-on-Trent.
Oh, that is hilarious. It's sort of asked you to do this, isn't it? Beforehand, if you don't know. Oh,
It's all right, Ella.
Going towards the
So here we are at day 2 at the Emma Bridgewater Factory for chick cuddle sessions. We have had a very busy morning with lots of staff and visitors coming to meet the chicks. I swear these pens were clean earlier. We're in here for another hour and a half before we finish our Easter extravaganza. And I promise I haven't spent that much in the shop, honestly.